I don't know about you guys, but my blonde hair always turns brassy and the struggle is real. That's why I'm so excited to be partnering with Color Oops and their new Brass Correct product. Not only does it reduce brassy tones, it repairs chemical damage and restores hydration and shine. Plus, it's such an easy process that you can do it in the comfort of your own home. First, make sure to start with clean, dry hair. Then, apply the product from your roots to the tips by massaging and saturating your brassy hair. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the level of your brassy tones, and then make sure to rinse thoroughly with warm water. After you're done rinsing, you can dry and style your hair just like you normally would. Reapply once a week to refresh your hair, and you'll never have to worry about having brassy hair again. If you're interested in this product, you can find it at Rite Aid and Ulta.